The customer, this is a customer return item. Let's open it and try it out. The customer complaining the USB cable got issue. Let's try. You see the wheels, it's all used here. You see, all got damage. You see, very dirty. The wheels very dirty. Let's try out the USB one. The customer says the USB, so we just try out the USB cable. Okay, let's see. You see, here is the USB. So this one, how to use? This one have to connect to the power cable. You know the inside have to connect to the power cable. Let's try it. Okay. Okay. So here is a USB port. Okay, here is a USB port. Take a look. Here is the inside USB cable. So this one have to use a power cable as a power supply. Put inside the luggage. Okay. So this one have to use as a power source. Okay. The other side. Okay. The other side is a USB charger. This one is a USB charger. Okay. So this one, you see, charging. Take a look. Yeah, no issue at all. Take a look. You see, the customer don't know how to use inside using a power cable, power bank. Okay, connect the inside USB cable. The outside using the USB cable, connect your phone. You see, it's charging. No issue at all. Okay, no issue at all. Okay, take a look. No issue at all. Okay, yeah, you take a look. See how it works. How it works. The customer totally don't know how to use it. Okay. See, got any disconnection or not? Okay. See, the customer anyhow claim. Okay. You don't know how to use, you can ask. Okay, you can ask, and we can make a video and show you.